Hey there, mathematicians! Do you remember how last week we played the game Double It? Well, today you get to play that game at home with your family member, or if you can't find anyone, I guess you can just use a stuffy like Ms. Cottle will. This is the game we played last week in our Zoom lesson. So here is the game board, the Double It game board. And you're also going to need some markers. So you can either just use your Unifix cubes as markers, or these are also kind of nice to use if you get stuck and aren't really sure how to figure out the double. So you can use that as a manipulative and use other markers. You can use pennies, anything, beans, whatever. All right, so I've got this nice little wombat friend here. So let's roll the die. Okay, let's see what we've got here. All right, so you got 3. I'm gonna let Wombat go first. So you've got 3. So you might have a good strategy for this. You might think, I'm gonna count on and put 3 in my head, then go 4, 5, 6. But if you didn't know how to do that, here's how you can use the Unifix cubes to help you. What you can do is have 3, and then you're going to double it, right? And then another 3. And then you could either count on with this 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can attach them together and count up how many are in this tower. Now, Wombat, now that you know that 3 plus 3 is 6, you take your marker and you cover up the 6. It's the only time you get to cover that up. So if you roll a 3 again, you just have to wait until you get all of the numbers to cover up. Okay, now it's my turn. Oh, I got a 2. Well, I just know that fact. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, Wombat, it's your turn. Oh, you got 3 plus 3 again. You know it's 6, but you don't get to go again. My turn. Oh, I got 6. Now, I could use my counting on strategy, or I could use my Unifix cubes to help. Now, I only had 10 of this color, so I made 1 stack of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I used the other ones that I had to have 4, and then I used my Wombat friend really helped me out here and let me borrow a couple extra. So I can see that I can count by 2s, or I can count on. I can go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or I can count by 2s and go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, this is where it gets hard. 12. All right, now I can just cover up that 12. What's going to happen next? Wombat's turn.
But what if I need an extra challenge? What do I do then?
If Double It feels like an easy game for you, go for the challenge version of the game. You'll need this extended version of the game board and 2 dice. You can find this version of the game board from one of the example pages in the Seesaw activity and print it out, or you can look for an email from your teacher with a PDF that you can print at home. You will need to roll the 2 dice and then double both of them and then add both of those sums together. It's a lot of adding, so you're going to need to work on various strategies for figuring out how to not only double each of the dice, but then how to add those 2 sums together. It's a great version of this game for those of you who are ready for something more. Now, if you happen to roll 2 6s or a 5 and a 6, and then the number is greater than the options on the board, no problem, just roll again, and then you get to keep playing.